Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Cobalt, and in this video we're going to be going over how to calculate the hydronium ion concentration from pH. And so this is going to require manipulating the equation that we've seen before with the negative log. So we know that the negative log of H plus concentration or hydronium concentration is equal to pH. Here we want to go in the backwards. What if we're given the pH and we want to know the hydronium ion concentration? So we have to work backwards. So we're going to use the same equation. So negative log is equal to your hydronium ion concentration. Oops, that looks awful. Is equal to the pH. But if you undo this, right? So if I solve this for H3O plus concentration, then what I do is I have to undo the log. So basically I would raise everything to the power of 10, right? So this is the power of 10. So if I raise this to power 10, it would be 10 to the negative log of the H3O plus concentration is equal to 10 to the pH. So the 10 to the power of a negative log, these are going to cancel each other out, except for the negative. So what you end up getting is well, just a second. So let me go backwards here. I forgot to do a step. So here, first thing you want to do is take the negative over there. I forgot to do that. So you have the negative. So I moved the negative over. So the log of H3O plus is equal to the negative pH, and then I'm going to raise both sides to as a power of 10. So 10 log H3O plus is equal to 10, and then you have the negative pH. Oh, and then the log and being a power of 10 undoes each other. It's like, this is kind of like taking the square root of a square, right? The square root undoes the square. So raising log, which is power of 10, base 10 power, raising that to a power undoes this. So that gets undone, and you're left with the H3O plus concentration is equal to 10 to the negative of the pH. So if you're given the pH, all you need to do to find the H3O plus concentration is put it as a negative of whatever the pH was given. So here we go. So I want to find the H3O plus concentration. So they're giving me 5.80 pH. So that means the H3O concentration is equal to 10 to the negative of that pH, negative 4.80. Now I just plug that into my calculator and it'll spit out the answer. And the answer here is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5. So then, so this is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5 concentration. And you can see that the power is very similar. So the pH here that was given is close to the power that you have there. Okay, so that is the H plus concentration for this pH. What about this pH? Same thing. They gave you the pH. We know that the H3O plus concentration is equal to 10 to the negative of that pH, right? The negative of the pH, so negative 8.37. And now we just use our calculator to figure that out. So let's put that into our calculator. Okay, and this is 4.3 times 10 to the negative 9 molar. I forgot molar here. Okay, so and the other thing I want to point out is, remember for significant figures, when we are going from the concentration to the pH, the number of sig figs was translated into decimal places. So if I had 2 sig figs, then that would translate into 2 decimal places. So now we're going the opposite direction. So I have 2 decimal places here, 2 decimal places here, so that translates into 2 sig figs for my answer for the concentration. Same thing here, I have 2 decimal places, that translates into 2 sig figs here. So I hope this is helpful. If you found this videos, or if you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.